Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Cinn and welcome to my channel. And today is day 6. I skipped 2 days, took some days off. I'll get into that a little later, but we're back and we're better. Day 6. Let's just start off with I got my inventory in the mail. I had told you guys I was waiting on some inventory, so let's open it up and see if it's what what I wanted. Like, is it giving what it's supposed to have gave? Let me tell you something, no vendor's gonna make sure this stuff is taped up and secure, okay? Ain't nobody getting into this. So they're basically like the little card keychains. I'll put close-up pictures of them, so you guys can really see what they are giving. They're cute though. I tell you what, I can't wait to get my nails done for these. Okay. Let me look if I can pick up. Okay. Let me look at all what I ordered so I can know what I got, what I'm looking at. So that is this one. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I have all of them. So basically, what do I? Okay, so basically what these is, it's a card holder keychain with a little puff ball to go along with it. So this is what they look like. Super cute. And it's like, yeah. So you just snip it onto your card. Which is just the old simple card. They don't even have Simply anymore. Put it in, pull it out. We got long nails. But super cute. I need to go ahead and put these on the website. I just want my nails, like my nails are far from done, so it's just like, yeah. But yeah, it's too cute. So these will be available on the website probably by the time this video is up. So yeah, I'm about to go show my mama real quick. Sorry that. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to head out. Don't mind my hair because I'm putting the hat on, but this is what I'm wearing. Dress, of course. Shop Cinn City. I'm wearing Crocs because I'm getting my feet done today and getting my nails taken off. So, real chill. And it's hot, so something slight. But 28 weeks today. Look at my stink. He been chilling while I was getting ready. He ain't been moving too much. But yeah, I'm about to put a hat on and get in the car. And I got the adapter thing for my phone, so hopefully while I talk in the car, you guys won't, it'll be better sound quality, I guess. But excuse everything, like we're really working to get my room together for me and him. But yeah, about to head to the car, put my hat on. Oh. And you guys see. Get your money grabbers. Come with a little puff out. I got mine separated though, because I got my keychain I carry and then my little car keys. So you can separate them or you can put them together how you want to. But yeah, I got mine, Boss Babe. I got 8 different styles. So whatever fits you, you get it, my good sis, okay? But yeah, so I'm about to head to the car and that's when I get on and talk a little more to you guys. Alright guys, so we're in the car. So hopefully by using my mic the sound quality be a lot better. We'll see. Let's just hope. Because right now I'm just testing it out. I didn't even test it. This is me testing it out. But anyway. So, yeah, first off, I'm hot. I'm low-key tired. Like, ooh, welcome to the 3rd trimester at this point. Like, oh. But yeah, 3rd trimester, your girl's 28 weeks. But anyway, so we're in our 3rd trimester. We're at the last stretch, the last 3 months. He'll be here soon. Look at me in my face. Oh my gosh. But anyway, so yeah, I skipped 2 days of Vlogmas. The first day, I had went to Columbia with my friend Bree. You guys know who Bree is. Went to Columbia with her for a gender reveal. And I was just like, you know, I was going to take that day off from vlogging, but I was going to create a video when I got back home. But it actually turned into a very emotional, like, ride home. Transparent moment, you know. Transparent moment. Because y'all not good with, like, it's not expressing my feelings, but, like, telling people my business. Like, I don't like that. It just don't sit right with me. But transparent moment. Basically, I got super emotional, and I've been getting super emotional lately when I see, you know, couples, and I see, you know, 2 people who are coming together to have a baby. They have events and have things, and to see how the father, like, they're like, just see how the father does. It just makes me sad, because my mama told me that it's not jealousy. Cause at first I was like, it kind of feels like jealousy, but she says it's not really jealousy. It's just me wishing that, you know, I could experience that as well, how they're experiencing that. And so I had one of those moments that day. So I didn't go home and record a video. I just was coming home trying to recoup. So dealt with that. Yeah, so I skipped that day because I got emotional after leaving the gender reveal, which I enjoyed the gender reveal. Enjoyed it. Had so much fun. Loved watching them figure out what they were having. They was having a girl. Or they're having a girl. So I very much enjoyed that and enjoyed it for them. It just was, you know, kind of riding home. I had time to reflect on how, like, you know, my day and stuff went, and it just, boom, from there. So, skipped that day. Then the next day, I just laid around. I was so tired. Laid around, didn't do anything, was home all day. So I just said, you know, I'm going to take these 2 days off from vlogging or even just doing any type of video, because, you know, sometimes you just need those days off. So took those 2 days off. So now we're back. Now we're here, and we're going to try to keep up. Like, we're going to try. But cut me slack, because I am pregnant. Okay, I am pregnant, and Logan be pulling at my heartstrings. Okay, he can make me emotional ×5. So yeah, but this week is basically prep for baby shower week. My baby shower is this Saturday, so this week is very much prep. Like, now I'm on my way to run a lot of errands. I'm going to try to complete all these errands. Like, I need to stop by UPS to drop off a bra to send back to Amazon, because definitely was not big enough. Y'all, these titties is huge. Like, huge titties. I really don't like it, but, you know, hey, come through the territory. So gotta drop the bra off. Going to Walmart to get to get a few things. I need to get my prenatals. I get my prenatals from Walmart. They're expensive, like, expensive. Well, I ain't gonna say that they're expensive, but it's not what I'm used to paying for medicine. So yeah, gotta get those. I need some more heartburn, some more Tums, cause y'all, I get the worst heartburn, and literally it be every day. It be heavy at night, and I be picking, like, if he comes out bald head, I'm gonna be very much confused, because what the world? But then again, I be picking. I be like, how much heartburn and how, like, hot I be feeling, like, when I get it. It's gonna burn all his little hair off. This heartburn, it be sick. Like, I be like, what in the world? But yes, I gotta get some more Tums, because I cannot survive without them. Like, oh my gosh. So get some more Tums. I did write a list, so, you know, your girl can get what she needs to get. Okay. But I'm gonna stop by the smoothie place to get me my favorite meal. Like, y'all, it's so good with a smoothie. But yeah, baby shower prep. I need to go ahead and do my hair, y'all. This hair needs to be washed so bad. It needs to be washed. But we're preparing for a party. We're preparing for a party. We're about to get things together because we're preparing for my baby boy, Lo. Okay, my baby. We're preparing for my baby arrival. So, you know, a lot of you guys, of course, you can't come. You know, can't personally come, or either if you are coming, make sure that you're there, you take pictures, make sure that you're here for the vlog that day. If you would like to see anything for him, my registries are always linked down below. You can always do that, or if you can either message me on one of my social medias, or Cash App is always something, because I do have a savings for him. If you watch any of my like money videos that I just started doing, then you'll know that I have a savings for him. So any money that is sent for him goes to that, so that it can be for him. I'm not one of the mamas that take my baby money. It's his money, so it's always an option. But I'm gonna just go ahead and get off of this and drive, and I'll see you guys when I make, you know, the next pit stop. What you guys think? You look like grandma-ish. I don't think these will work, only because they're an 11 and still tight, and I'm not even, I'm a 9. I don't know. Like, they're cute for a small foot, but I don't know. I feel like they'll hurt my foot after a while. Well, y'all, it's dark outside. About to head home. I was in a nail salon for I don't know how long. But number one, so I dropped my mama smoothie. I like to say is, y'all, I'm pregnant. And there was a lot of stuff to carry. 2 smoothies, a bag, my bag, like, that's too much. So, hey, stuff happens. I thought it was mine and wanted to cry, but it wasn't. And it's from Tropical Smoothie. I got a sunrise, sunset, whatever it's called, with an energizer so that I can, you know, have energy to drive home. And then I got a 3-cheese chicken quesadilla with a thing of salsa, which I'm gonna just take a bite with y'all on camera and then get ready to drive home, because like I said, it's dark. So, but y'all definitely have to get it. It's so good. So good. And it also comes with a bag of chips. So, yeah. My mama's smoothie is all in my shoes. Oh. But yeah, so I'm about to head home. So I'll come back when I get home and stuff. See what else I do for the day. So good. Alright, y'all, so I'm home. And number one, the microphone thing did not work in the car. It made it sound so funny. I must didn't have it all the way plugged in, but that didn't work like I planned. I was gonna work on my wig. Probably won't record me doing it. I don't know yet, but in my head, this is where I'm going to end the vlog because I'm tired and I want to go ahead and get a head start on editing it so it won't be going up late. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I will see you guys in, what is that, day 7 tomorrow? Thank you guys for watching. Cinn signing off. Peace. Oh yeah, I got my nails off. And then guess the color on my toes. White. I'll show you guys tomorrow because I spilled smoothie on my foot like I said. Peace.